Now I'll explain about how to fix the electrode. Uh, this is called as axis character. We have to fix with this. There is some screws on bottom. You can fix it. This should be in front for adjustment for axis. In axis character, you will be having four screws which are vertically mount and two are horizontally mount. This controls the rotation. If you lose this and you tighten this goes in a clockwise direction movement. If you loosen this and you tighten this, it will move in anti-clockwise direction. This two screws are for y-axis adjustment. If you tighten this, there will be an movement in this direction. Means when I fix the electrode, I'll show you. After fixing the electrode, you can fix the electrode. This is the electrode. This is copper electrode. We are normally using in our trial basis. When you loosen this and tighten this, you can see the movement. You can see that it goes in other direction. Same thing, it will happen for x-axis. Same thing. Now I'll show you. We have to put in lever dial or plunger dial, whatever you are having, and you can dial the electrode wherever you are having references. You can do the movement and you can rotate and you can see wherever it is positive. Wherever positive, you can adjust from this screws. And this is for if you are round. This is round electrode, so we will not having any straight direction dialing. Otherwise, on a square electrode, you have to dial in front also. Now this is the electrode. I have positioned the electrode. I will take nearer to the workpiece and then I will proceed for edge finding. Before proceeding for edge finding can be done into this thing. This is sensitivity. You can make the sensitivity 0, or we can lock the z axis, so there will be no vertical movement, and then we have to say auto pulse. If we don't lock the machine, there will be movement of z axis coordinate. Now we have done both the things. You can do any one of this. Then we have to slowly move the electrode nearer to workpiece. There will be one position coming. You will be listen a buzzer sound. This means the electrode has touched the workpiece. You have to when your workpiece is touched. Now it is this x direction. We will make x 0 by double pressing the x key. If we press double, then it will be becoming 0. Now I have taken x-axis to other side to find center. This is our other position. Whenever we touch, it is in other direction. Now I am making half. So you have to click X, then half. This is our edge find position in other direction. Now what I'll do, I'll press function, and now I'm going to make X half. So I'll press X and then I'll press half. The coordinate had become half. So now I will make a movement and come to 0 position. That will be my center 0 position. Now I have come to center 0 position. Now I have to do sparking over here. Before doing a sparking, I have to set my Z reference. Now to set a Z reference, I have to remove the lock, whatever I have put on earlier, and I'll set some sensitivity, and then I'll press. So slowly the Z axis will go in the position. Now slowly the Z axis going to the position. Whenever it will touch the workpiece, it will start beeping. Now see, you can see it is started buzzering. Now you can see it is buzzering, means it has touched the workpiece. I have to press and stop key to stop the operation. Now then, if I will make Z 0 by double pressing, now our edge finding operation is completed. I'll explain how to set a depth. Suppose I have to say कि I have to go minus 2 mm. What I'll do function, then I'll this EDMing option. Now already 3 is set. I will set plus minus 2 and I'll say enter and I'll escape. Before starting the sparking, you have to press this EDMing machine, so it will get activated and it will go for sparking and it will stop. Let's say I'll do spark on. Now we have made everything 0. If you want to, for safer side, you can little bit take Z axis so it can start. For sparking we have to pump on first, the oil will be filled and then we can do. Now you can see there are no interlocks on top, so we are ready for sparking. We have to set the all parameter and explain, and now you can do sparking. It will start sparking and after completion it will stop automatically.